Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to factorize this tricky quadratic expression. Solution. Okay, the first thing we do is to multiply this root 3 and our constant 8 root 3. Right, so root 3 times 8 root 3 will give us 8 root 9, which will give us 8 times 3, and that is 24. Okay, now we have to look for factors of 24 that will give us 10 when we add. Factors of 24 that will give us 10. Okay, so let's look at 6 times 4. 6 times 4 will give us 24, and 6 plus 4 will give us 10. Okay, we are using 6 and 4. And then if you want to write this now, write square root of x, square root of 3, x squared plus 6x plus 4x, that is this 6 and this 4, plus 8 root 3. All right, so then we can do factor by grouping. Let's factor by grouping. Okay, factor by grouping. So let's put these two together. We have square root of 3x squared plus 6x plus 4x plus 8 root 3. All right, from there, let's factor out the common terms. What is common here, we write it out. And then what is common here, we write it out. Okay, here, I would say root 3x is common. Okay, so what do I have in this place? I have x left. And in this place, what do I have? I have 6 over root 3. Okay, so how do I get 6 over root 3? By the time you multiply root 3x times x, you have root 3x squared. And if you multiply root 3x times 6 over root 3, let's do that. Root 3x multiplied by this 6 over root 3. Now root 3, we cancel root 3. We have x times 6, which will give us 6x. And that is what we have in this place. So it means this times this will give us this, and this times this will give us this. Now the second pair, what is common? 4 is common. Okay, we have x here, and 4 in 8 is 2. That is 2 root 3. All right, so another way to write this, we are going to rationalize this. Let's rationalize this and see what we get. So if we have 6 over root 3, rationalize it, we have root 3 over root 3, okay, and then this gives us 6 root 3 over root 3 times root 3 will give us what? Will give us 3. And 3 here 1, 3 here 2. Okay, so we have 2 root 3. If we rationalize 6 over root 3, we have 2 root 3. Then we write this as square root of 3x over x plus, this is now 2 root 3. After rationalizing it, then we have 4x plus 2 root 3. Now we can see that our brackets are the same. What we have in this bracket is the same thing as what we have in this bracket. Then what do? We put this and this together. That is square root of 3x plus 4. And then we take one of these two brackets, x plus 2 root 3. Okay, this is our final answer. By the time we expand this, we are going to get this. By the time we expand that, we're going to get this. Okay, so that is our final answer. Now let's try this. Let's try this. Factorize square root of 2x squared plus 9x plus 4 root 2. Okay, let's factorize this and write our answer in the comment section. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.